Have you heard of this mutton curry born inside a rest house? We are talking about Mutton DaK Bungalow. So DaK means male and these bungalows were the postal guest houses along the route. Hi, I'm Pradipta, home chef from foodies and we are making Mutton DaK Bungalow, a popular Anglo-Indian dish from the 19th century. DaK Bungalow is rich but comforting at the same time. The recipe starts with the basic preparation of spices and then dry roasting them. Marination is very important step for any mutton recipe. Add all the ingredients and rest the mutton for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours. I would recommend overnight marination if you want to save time on slow roasting. It's probably the only dish which has eggs in a mutton curry and potatoes, of course. The recipe of DaK Bungalow was very simple but had something to please the British palate. By the way, do you know how this iconic dish originated? So during the British Raj, officers had these government-run DaK bungalows or humble rest houses. Each had a cook or a khansama. So when the officers came unannounced, the khansamas made homely, rustic, deeply comforting curries with whatever they found locally. And that is how the dish DaK Bungalow became iconic. After adding the mutton chunks, we will let it cook till the oil floats up. It takes about 45 minutes. Stir occasionally at this stage. Then add some hot water as needed and the rest of the bhuna masalas. Now close the lid and cook on low flame till the meat is tender. This should take about 2 hours. The real magic of DaK Bungalow is in the slow cooking. Our meat is almost cooked. Now goes the potatoes and the boiled eggs. Close the lid again and cook until the potatoes are soft. Our Mutton DaK Bungalow is ready to be served. It's rich, aromatic with boiled eggs and potatoes. It's a complete Sunday meal. And if you love discovering such stories through food, join us on foodies.in where every recipe tells a story.